Hey, and welcome back to the contest look video series. This time we'll be doing cheeks. That includes blush, contour or bronzer, and highlighter. The whole reason why we're doing this obviously is to give our face dimension and breathe a little bit of life back into our face. Under those stage lights, if you don't add anything, you can obviously look like a ghost, kind of like what I look now. So today I'll be using cream products. You'll see me use that, and then afterwards I'll kind of go back over with my powder products just to kind of show you where it would go. So without further ado, let's get started. Using a cream blush that's extremely pigmented, so a little goes a long way. I start by applying a small amount and blending it up along my cheekbone. This helps lift the face and keeps the color looking natural. Once it's blended, I softly bring the blush onto the apple of my cheek for a subtle pop of color. With whatever's left on my brush, I do add a tiny bit to my nose for a more cohesive look throughout, though that step is completely optional, so please feel free to skip it if you wish. The key with cream blush is to build gradually to avoid overdoing it. The cream contour that I'm using is also very pigmented, so I'm making sure to start with a small amount. First, I apply it to the hollows of my cheeks for definition, then I add some to my hairline to warm up my forehead, and finally I apply a tiny bit to the sides of my nose for subtle shaping. And yes, I'm having difficulty here. If you're using cream bronzer, it would be applied to the same areas. When blending, I like to make sure to blend up and out in small circles along my cheeks to lift the face and avoid any muddy look. I also blend into my hairline to keep everything seamless and natural. This technique does take practice, so please don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. Just remember to build gradually and blend thoroughly for a soft, sculpted look. So now that I've added my cream products, I'm now going to go and put my setting powder on my face because my highlighter is a powder and we want powder going on powder so it's not mixing into our foundation and our cream products. If you do that, your brushes will get cakey and things will look streaky and it really won't look nice. So that being said, I'm going to brush my powder all over my face and blend it out really well. And then to show you what it would look like, I will go back in with some powder blush and some powder bronzer to show you where it will go. Like I mentioned in my base video, when I'm using a setting powder, I like to concentrate on my T-zone, my forehead, nose, chin, and slightly under my eyes. That's because it's where my makeup tends to break down first. It also helps control shine and keeps everything in place longer. After that, I just do a light dust around the rest of my face. This is just to make sure that my powder products, like highlighter, go on smoothly and blend easily. If you've already set your face because you're applying powder products, don't worry, you're working powder on powder, so everything will blend seamlessly. It's a step that can make a difference in the overall finish and longevity of your look. Now, I'm technically going over my cream blush and contour with powder and bronzer. This is only to show you where I would add it. You absolutely do not need to wear both unless you want to. You can use either or. For powder blush, again, I'm applying it the same way as before, blending it up my cheekbone and lightly across the apple of my cheek. And for powder bronzer, over the same areas I contoured earlier, along my hairline, cheekbones, and a touch on my nose. This will enhance definition and give a cohesive look. If you watched my base video, you'll see that I like to apply a concealer where my highlighter would go. It's not because the highlighter wouldn't show, it's because it gives it that extra pop. So I like to think of where I applied it when I'm applying my highlighter. The high points of my face, the tops of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, under my eyes, and a touch on my forehead. This catches the light beautifully and adds dimension. Perfect for standing out under stage lights. I do also add a touch to my cupid's bow. However, that's a personal preference. You don't have to do that. And just like that, our cheeks are done. As always, if you have a certain way of doing this, feel free to do it your way. This is just how I do it. It gives us a little definition. It breathes life back into our cheeks and adds a little glow, just so we can see all of that under those stage lights. Again, if you have any questions or would like any tips on applying, please contact either me or any member of our beauty squad, and we are happy to help you. Have a good one.